Hey, what's up guys? Aaron Puff, Awareness Motorsports, coming at you from the big shop, and we are back here this Friday working on the stocker and going to be getting some more things done on the super stocker here. Let me give you a quick walk around and show you what we've gotten done. It's been a couple of weeks since we've had a video, so I'll give you a couple updates here. Alright guys, so let me give you an update on the stocker here. So first and foremost, if you've been paying attention to our social media, you know that we got the new Team Z rear end housing in, and this thing is just awesome. Everything fits great, everything went together super smooth. Next thing is we're going to get the grease put in it. We're using AMSOIL Severe Gear 8090, so we're going to be using some of the AMSOIL stuff. Had really good luck with it in the transmission, so we're going to try it on the rear end here. And gonna finish putting the brakes together. Got to put the drums on and get everything adjusted, and then we'll get the wheels and tires back on and get the ride height set here after a little bit. And then also we did finish getting the new belts in, so I switched over from RJS belts to these Race Quip. The biggest difference is the upper belt here is a 2-inch belt for the head and neck restraint that I wear. I just think that's going to work a little bit better, and it seems to fit better. Like the RJS stuff, but I'm curious to try these out and see how that works. And then also, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but I did mount a fire extinguisher that's within reach of me when I'm in the driver's seat, just for the what ifs. So that's in here. And so we checked that off the list. So next couple things we're going to be doing is finishing up the rear end here. We're going to get the motor out of this so that we can get the clutch inspected and sent off, and then we're going to turn our focus over to the super stocker here and get the motor and trans in it, get all the clutch setup done, and get this thing ready to get down on the ground and finished up. So we will keep you posted and keep you coming along for updates here. Alright guys, we're just getting the rear brakes back together on the car here, and wanted to point something out about these. So we run drum brakes on the rear, and we've got the adjusters in here, so we adjust these right out so that they're almost tight, but we don't adjust them tight like you would on a street car because we don't want the drag. So we try to get them as close as we can to dragging without creating any extra friction or drag. And we also don't run the retainer on the adjuster here like you would on a street car. So these will automatically adjust and tighten up on a street car, and we don't want that to happen, so we leave the retainer clip off of here so that they don't do that. So just something kind of unique we do on these drag cars.
Radio up now?
Yeah, you can. got that one. Alright guys, this is what we're putting in. This is AMSOIL Severe Gear 8090. The thing that I really like about it is it comes in this pouch. If you guys have worked on cars for any length of time, you know what a giant pain putting gear oil can be, whether it's rear end housing or transmission. So these guys have made a really nice flexible pouch here, so whether you have to get it in a tight space and squeeze it into place or whatever, this is a really simple way to do it. So go ahead and fill up the rear end here.